and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we'd love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Bali, we stayed at the beautiful Eastin Ashta Hotel in Canggu. From the moment we entered the hotel, we knew we were in for a treat. The room we stayed in was located on the 6th floor, and as we stepped inside, we were blown away by how spacious and comfortable the room looked. The hotel room had everything you needed for a cozy stay, including a great selection of tea and coffee, a coffee machine, a mini bar fridge, and also plenty of storage for our luggage. The bed was in the center of the room, and we loved that it faced the large TV. The bedside tables had international plugs, which were a great touch. And there was a safe to store all our valuables. The bathroom was equally impressive, with a sleek design that blended seamlessly into the open plan room. We appreciated the ample toiletries, the scale, a hairdryer, and the fact that we had robes and slippers to lounge in. There was also a beach bag waiting for us. But one of our favourite parts of the room was definitely the balcony. It offered beautiful views of Bali. The hotel had many other amenities to keep us entertained, including a bar, pool, and a gym. One of the highlights was the delicious buffet breakfast at their Salt restaurant. They had a great selection of Western and international cuisines. Sadly, it was time for us to check out. If you're planning to visit Canggu, we'd highly recommend staying at this hotel. It's a perfect place to unwind and relax. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.